the nature can be. Scene 1, the Japan disaster. As you can see, there are floods and earthquakes in Japan, and people are dying. Truly said that nature can maintain its own balance very well. Such example we can see in Japan. What do you think about it, and what all are your opinions?
My house has been destroyed and I have no place to live. I have no money to feed the stomach of my family.
Roads have been waterlogged. People are dying because of deadly diseases. May God bless them and ensure their lives. That's all for today. With reporter Anujan Anjali and cameraman Aman, Audio Chat News.
Wow.
Scene 2, Uttarakhand floods. Now let's hear the expert's opinion on the Japan disaster.
From this, I can conclude that whatever happens, nature knows how to maintain its balance. Everything done by the nature is done for good. Nature knows what to do and what not to do. What we see here is that Japan clears hundreds of trees every year to build offices and buildings. The nature gave its answer by this disaster and ruined everything. See, a boon or a curse for Japan. These words will always remain in the future.
Scene 2, Uttarakhand floods. As you can see, the religious place Kedarnath and the surrounding areas have been disturbed by the terrorizing floods. People are dying and are becoming homeless and unemployed. Uttarakhand is facing floods since last 5 days, and it has caused a lot of destruction. Let's meet a victim and know what all complexities he has suffered yet.
My daughter was lost and was just rescued to the mountains. Sadly, it went asking for her life. Ma'am, I am a poor mama. I don't have a house and a gun and families. I hope the government will take quick actions to provide us food and shelter.
We can see that there were lots of farmers who were letting their life very successfully, but their lives have been destroyed in seconds. Now you can see that. A clear difference. A little rainfall in England during the Champions Trophy. The whole India is praying. And floods in Uttarakhand, no one cares. That's all for today with reporter Anujan Anjali and cameraman Abhinav, only on Capital News. Now let's hear the expert's opinion on this. I discovered that there is an expansion of hydropower projects and construction of roads to increase tourism. The green and green valleys of Ganga are now facing heavy traffic of tourists, which in turn pollutes the river. Recently, a mountain was destroyed through one cement factory. This shows that humans are so reckless. These are all man-made disasters. Then God blames nature for it. Scene 3, the future.
Hey, look, I got a new bicycle. It's so cool now.
Oh yes, but we shouldn't be happy about this. That our sisters are left no resources for us.
Oh, I see. Bicycles are the only options left.
Yes, we have no resources left for us. Let us take the oxygen mask or else we will be suffocated.
Yeah, you're right.
So friends, you see that. How and why would it help if we conserve our resources? These recent disasters were nothing but a fight for justice led by the nature. Our beautiful Mother Earth has never asked for anything, but still gives us valuable belongings. Now it's our time to give something back to our Mother Earth. Renewable resources are used in large scale to fulfill our resource needs and minimize the use of exhaustible resources.
Can you please suggest some ways to conserve our resources? Yeah, of course. We must use water judiciously. We must preserve our flora and fauna.
We must use the natural resources very judiciously, and we must switch off the electrical appliances when not in use.
So friends, let's pledge. Whatever happens at any cost, we will be the first one to protect our Mother Earth. We are totally dependent on them and we ourselves are destroying them. Let's protect our nature and make our future secure.
As the most powerful and genius creatures of this earth, let's do something constructive that's in favor of humanity. Although human beings make mistakes,